So if you've been looking for a replacement power supply for your HP, Dell, Lenovo, any laptop brand that uses a USB-C cable, and that's this little cable right here for charging, check out the Wavelink. This is a WLP1101 112 watt universal charger. Lots of power to charge your laptop. Any device that uses USB-C, so if you have a tablet, a cell phone, any of those kind of things, this will also charge that. So it kind of has multiple purposes. And I'll show you kind of some of the specs on the back. You have USB-C out is 20 volts and 5 amps. USB-A out is 5 volts, and USB out is 2.4 amps. So lots of power for charging all your devices. And I'm going to show you here what you get in the box. The power supply, of course, the power supply. This end goes to the outlet, and this end goes to your device. You can see it has a USB-C end on it right here, and it does come with a nice little Velcro strap, and it is Wavelink branded, so that's kind of a nice little feature, especially if you're going to travel, you want to bundle it up nice and tidy. It's nice to have one of those. But the coolest thing on this, and this is something I don't think I've seen on any other power supply, a USB port. So you can plug in your iPhone or any device that's USB and chargeable and charge it through here. So not only can you run your device like your laptop or your tablet, but you can take a USB cable and charge your phone at the same time. And this is definitely something I don't think I've seen it anywhere else. Everyone should have this. A great feature. So you can charge two things at one time or run two devices at the same time. And one nice thing about this, it's just not for laptops. You think, oh, this is a laptop power supply. No, you can charge any device you want with this because it is USB-C. So things like your Fire tablet, and of course this has USB-C, you can plug it in, and there you go. You see it's charging. So kind of nice that you can do that. And I actually use it for charging other things, anything that's rechargeable. That's kind of neat. I use this one. But my main goal was just I have a docking station that the power supply died. I don't use it very often, and that's what this is going to be used for. So, but it does work for laptops. Like I said, anything USB-C that uses this port right here, this cable right here, this guy will charge it for you. Really nice device. And of course, it is the Wavelink WLP1101 112 watt universal charger. Check this out. I think just having this extra port on here is great. And even if you already have a power supply and just want a spare one for traveling, keeping your laptop bag, check this guy. It's the perfect power supply.